Unong ay but kasang United Democratic Party UDP uba Bindo Matthew Lanong ubalong ru MDC ka KHADC. Haga arpsan trip kula lengkot arhajar arpuar ula pentib ula dep ban plat pat ba ekakot ke ula Thoh kabala ai kerteng Golden Meghalaya. Haga ba ula Thoh Shaphang kinong yalam kebele kun haga ban penyo ya ke Jylla ke bapura. Kamtam haga ba ke Jylla kala kenjo ru syaka jingdap san posnem. Uba Bindo uloong bahak ni kakot ke ula Thoh labatai Shaphang ke jing sedang ya ke Jingiakhih bandawa ya ke Jingyo ya ke Jylla ke bapura. Haba ke Jylla kadang hap bat ke Jylla asam. Ule thoru bula Thoh Shaphang gidong yalam ke bamensua ke belong shisha ke bastat bat ke Shaphang bat ke balen ladia na ke benta ke Jylla. Ya ke ba usngo ba ke Jylla kan ban yo obyang ya kum kini ginong yalam ke badon ha ke por ke bamensua. Uba Bindo uloong ru bu kersha ne karai ke bala shim de ginong yalam ke bamensua ke bala pediang ban yo ke Jylla ke bapura wala don yo pur usam. Uloong ke bakongsan ha ke to kapor kalong ban yo shwai ke Jylla lajong namar on la abet ban penbet yo pur usam hadin habut. Balada kinong yalam kinhap ban up ban yo ke Jylla hadin balada ban penbet yo pur usam kala ban poison don chaka jingdo no ban yo ela ke jong ke Jylla. Uniu unong ai boj keseng UDP ula kentui ke sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam ban wat kilat klenti ke ban nek syirta. Ha gajing penbet yo pur usam ha padang kini ki arteli ke Jylla da gajing ya sutho jingmut bat da gajing keluit mensim. Ula banjor balada syem ekarai dai ban bu hakmat ke baha kamiat jong pat ba ke basa ke jaga kaput. Namar bagi don kam iwei pat bat gidon ru ki breu na ke Jylla Meghalaya ki badan ha Assam bat gidon ru ki breu na Assam ki basa ke Jylla Meghalaya.
So in 1954, there was an organization by the name of EITU, Eastern India Tribal Union, was formed in 1954, comprising leaders from those areas I have mentioned just now, North Kachar Hills, Mizoram, then Garo Hills, Khasi and Jainti Hills. Then there's speculation about Assam dominating the proceedings of administration in the sense that they had the intention to impose Assamese language in all these areas. And according to history, there were other reasons also behind the thought for demanding the state of their own for the hill areas, like the prejudice by the Assam leaders towards hill areas. The ill treatment then, I'm talking about those areas, those years, and all that, by the then Assam government at that time, which they were not satisfied with the development programs and other programs enjoyed by people in the plain areas. So they felt, that discrimination by the Assam government then. And so that feeling gave vent to start demand for their own statehood. And that's how this EITU, Eastern India Tribal Union, came in 1954. And actually, as speculated by the hill leaders then, In 1960, October 1960, Assamese language was passed in the Assam Assembly, almost by midnight. And imposing the language to be read, to be spoken, to be used by everyone within Assam. And that's how the movement gained strength, that the APHLC, which was formed in July 1960, All Party Hill Leaders Conference, spearheaded the movement in a manner that it will be more aggressive. And so the demand began that Hill State should be given to demarcate. The Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, who was a real leader, what his name, a father figure of the nation, he felt very greatly that imposition of the language on others who do not know anything, who do not belong to that culture, to that system, may not be reasonable. He had expressed that to some leaders in his own way. And therefore, he felt very seriously, and as a considerate person, a reasonable leader, he began to think about started consultation for creation of the Hill State by bifurcating the areas for the hill areas.